What's up, music lovers? This is your boy DJ Mremz, all the way from Soweto. Welcome to my studio. Thank you. I started 2020 lockdown, but I started DJing way back. I think I was in grade 9, which was around 2019, 18 there. Then yeah, Katala Karai, Arbaken, Ershape, in Tottenham. Stage name, so Nile Mfano Mungwaka, and then Nile Mremz, and then Kabona, you don't deserve this name. Lina Lena Nili Vitoa Kakara, Yalshaya Libitole, Yalenka 99, and then Mrembo Mremz, yeah. I would say musical tone, Masemti, Kelvin Momo, obvious, King of Piano, and also I would say declaring out here control and was a feel yeah because we push out the sounds are high getting yeah. For my projects, Jazz World, Emapantula, Le Mpilo Entle. My favorite name, Nzema, but rating them from number 1 to number 3. My number 3 would be Yamapantula. Number 2 would be Mpilo Entle. Yeah, fair enough. And then number 1, Jazz World. Yeah, the way Karaki number 1 to number 3 as well. Yeah. Jazz World, Mpilo Entle, Likoka, I think iko album ya Kota Embassy. Yeah. We're not getting booked, not being recognized. Stream my music, yeah, it's a difficult, but yeah, you know, we gotta do it. Yeah, everyone has to start somewhere at the end of the day. Yeah. So Balela, so yeah, Nali Soulful Peer, Velera Shapa beat, because I tried to like similar the project, and then from the Fana Argona, Fan Tricky in a something Yana, I feel it again. Reggae menu Vela clean, and then it over clean for vocal, and then yeah, Funilam Shagam Karai, Chap Nyana, Kakwena, Aleshaya, then Katla Ikatwe Mastara. So Zilebona, key writing sate na i project dati. Yeah. I would wish to work with my aunt, I would wish to work with Lemang Karamang, so Boma Speaks, yeah, Boma Nacho, yeah. I wish was panel much, yeah. That's maybe was when Kabza I dlala pina Kaliona and then it was when like Kitola the streams steady paya and yeah, Mpilo Entle is my top highlight. Yeah, I feel yeah, and then the thing was when 18 years, yeah, kadlala konjalo ska birthday yakhe, so yeah, the highlights. Yeah. Series ena ithomile when like nikibona Ishmachita babadi yabona, I won't name like names bantwala baba etsang like the live stream ding kabona go gole ro fitlhela re batle ba o beats wa bona, so ka re itse keng re nna sharp into yaka, and then yeah. More series, some Mremz Mondays, and yeah, maybe a young Ipinyana, yeah, SOH, yeah, there's but yeah, there's a lot coming, and also more singles, yeah, more singles, like the vocal di baya no tshwanetse motho a drop, yeah. Word of the day, stay prayed up. I always say this one, stay prayed up, always be humble. Yeah, you never know when is your day coming, and it takes one song. And also declaring, hey, respect your parents, man. Yeah, thank you. Go Instagram DJ Mremz, Facebook DJ Mremz, Spotify, up to Apple Music, everywhere DJ Mremz, DJ Mremz, Mremz, yeah.